A very good evening. Is it audible?
Yes, you are audible, Amit.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
अमित जी
प्रणाम सर।
हाँ शुरू हो
जो
गया, आपका टाइम
permission-
आपका, आप शुरू करिए।
अखंड मंगलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। नमामि धन्वन्तरिमादिदेवं सुरासुरैर्वन्दितपादपद्मं लोकैर्जरारुकभयमृत्युनाशं दातारमीशं विविधौषधीनां वातावनिवारिवह्नं पञ्चप्रपञ्चात्मकदेहभाजं सन्तापसम्पातजराजरान्तकं नमामि धन्वन्तरिमादिदेवं नवीनीलमुदकान्तिकान्तं शान्तं हरद्वादशमाख्यमूर्तिं पूर्तिं सतानां सुमनोरथानां नमामि धन्वन्तरिमादिदेवम्। So, warm welcome and a very good evening to our honorable chief guest, distinguished guests, guest of honor, governing committee members of Maharshi Charak Ayurveda Research and Development Scheme, esteemed faculty members from prestigious Ayurveda institutions, and all participants, organizers of this program. I am Engineer Amit Tiwari, Head of the Department of Information Technology and Program Coordinator at RDCL Institute of Applied Statistics. I welcome you all. It is my immense pleasure and pride that we gather here today for the inauguration of the one-month online certificate program on good clinical practice for Ayurvedic medicine. This online certificate program is jointly initiated by the Institute of Applied Statistics and All India Institute of Ayurveda, New Delhi, in collaboration with the CCRAS, New Delhi. So to begin this auspicious occasion, I would like to invite Dr. Shubham Pandey sir, who currently serves as the project director for the various research and development scheme and as the national coordinator of Dr. Padam Singh R&D scheme in collaboration with ICMR and the Institute of Applied Statistics, he is deeply committed to advancing medical research and statistical analysis. Dr. Pandey sir's academic journey includes his tenure as an assistant professor and head of the biostatistics department at the Himalayan Institute of Medical Sciences, Dehradun. He has also made significant contribution to public health as a senior statistician in the National Retinoblastoma Registry Program at the National Institute of Pathology, ICMR, New Delhi. His expertise extends to health classification, having been recognized as the master trainer in the Identity International Classification of Disease, ICD-10, and the ICF by the Central Bureau of Health Intelligence, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, New Delhi. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Shubham Pandey sir to extend his warm welcome to our esteemed guests and deliver the welcome address on the behalf of Institute of Applied Statistics. Please, sir, welcome, sir.
Thank you, Amit. I'm audible.
Yes, perfectly audible, sir. Please.
Honorable Chief Guest, distinguished guest, guest of honor, esteemed faculty member, and all participants. It is with immense pleasure and pride that I extend warm welcome to all of you for the inaugural ceremony of the one-month certificate program on good clinical practice in Ayurveda medicine. This prestigious initiative, jointly organized by All India Institute of Ayurveda, Institute of Applied Statistics with the collaboration of Central Council for Research in Ayurveda Research. We deeply honored to have Padma Shri with Rajesh Kotecha sir, Secretary Ministry of Ayush, Government of India as a chief guest. His unwavering support and visionary leadership have played a crucial role in advancement of Ayurveda medicine in India. We are also privileged to have among us distinguished guest Dr. Sanjeev Sharma, Vice Chancellor, AIIA Jaipur, Professor R.N. Acharya, Director General, CCRAS, New Delhi, Dr. Tanuja Nishari Ma'am, Director ITRA, Jamnagar, our guest of honor and convener of program, Professor Sujata Ma'am, Director in charge, All India Institute of Ayurveda, Dr. G.S. Tomar, Chairperson, Maharshi Charak Research and Development Scheme. Institute of Applied Statistics has always been committed to empowering the researcher and professionals by developing the need-based training module in consultation with accommodation, researcher and professionals. We ensure that our program remain aligned with the evolving demand of research community. Our commitment to organize international, national, state and institution level training program serve as a valuable platform for knowledge exchange, collaboration, and capacity building in field of clinical and statistical research. This one-month certificate program on good clinical practice for Ayurveda medicine mark a significant step towards the enhancing the quality and credibility on the research in Ayurveda medicine. I encourage to all participants to make the most of this opportunity, use this platform to enhance your research skill, broaden your academic and professional horizon, and contribute meaningfully to growth of Ayurveda and healthcare innovation. Let us work collectively towards the advancement of scientific rigor in Ayurveda medicine and ensure its rightful place in the global healthcare landscape. Thank you, and I wish you all to a productive and enriching experience throughout this program. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for extending warm welcome to our guests and enlightening the participant about the work of Institute of Applied Statistics. So now we are honored to have with us Dr. Seema Dwivedi ma'am, a true pioneer in the field of medicine, who holds multiple prestigious roles and has made invaluable contribution to healthcare, currently serving as a professor in the Obs and Gynae department at the GSVM Medical College, Kanpur, and a distinguished member of the National Medical Wing. She also serves as the convener of the Indian Thinkers Society. Her passion for student healthcare science through his role as a national coordinator of the Pandit Madan Mohan Malvi Bal Saksham Yojana and the national coordinator of Maharshi Charak Ayurveda Research and Development Scheme. With over 50 research papers published in leading national and international journals and more than 40 thesis work supervised, she is shaping the future of medical research. Beyond her professional accomplishment, ma'am is also a accomplished writer with articles on Garbha Sanskara, Surya Namaskara, and Kriya Dhyana. We are privileged to have Dr. Seema Dwivedi ma'am with us today, and I would like to invite ma'am to share an overview about the Maharshi Charak Ayurveda Research and Development Scheme with all of us and the participants presented in the program. Please, ma'am, welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Amit. Honorable Chief Guest, distinguished guests, guests of honor, esteemed faculty members, and dear participants. It is again a great privilege for me to be present at the inaugural ceremony of this one-month certificate program on the good clinical practice for Ayurvedic medicine, which is being conducted in collaboration with AIIA New Delhi and CCRAS. This program again marks another significant milestone in our continuous journey towards fostering a culture of research excellence in the field of Ayush and beyond. Until date, the key achievements of IAS, especially in the allopathic sector, has been a Memorandum of Understanding MOU with ICMR under Dr. Padam Singh R&D scheme, which was signed in March 18, 2019, initiating 90 types of scientific programs for medical professionals. 16 joint state and district training centers have been established in allopathic center under this R&D scheme till now, with additional centers awaiting approval this year. These centers serve as hubs for knowledge exchange and capacity building across different regions. And under the scheme of Dr. Padam Singh Research and Development Scheme, 20,000 researchers till date, scholars and faculty members have been trained. Now, under the esteemed Maharshi Charak Ayurveda Research and Development Scheme, we have witnessed remarkable progress in the recent years, with Dr. G.S. Tomar as our chairperson and a consistent guide, and with the whole team of the members, 6 joint state and district training centers have been established till date. Approximately 4,000 Ayurveda researchers, scholars, and faculty members have been trained in collaboration with prestigious institutions such as the Faculty of Ayurveda, IMS, BHU. AIIA Jaipur has been our very active member with a great support from Dr. Sanjeev. ITRA Jamnagar again has been a very active, consistent supporting partner. DY Patil deemed to be University Mumbai, Himalaya University Dehradun, Subdeep Ayurvedic Medical College, State Unani Medical College, Prayagraj, and many others. Recognizing the importance of digital education, we have successfully conducted a 3-month online certificate training program with NIA Jaipur in collaboration with CCRAS New Delhi in 2023, followed by a similar program in 2024, jointly organized with ITRA Jamnagar. A 2-month online certificate program with the DY Patil deemed to be University Mumbai has been conducted in collaboration with CCRAS New Delhi, which has expanded access to quality education beyond geographical barriers. Additionally, our research consultation services have reached approximately 10,000 individual researchers, medical students, and faculty members, providing them with crucial guidance in areas such as data analysis and research writing. The Institute of Applied Statistics also extends research consultation support to both public and private institutions in a collaborative capacity. We have had great support from CCRAS under the headship of Dr. R.N. Acharya. As we gather today to inaugurate another important program on good clinical practice for Ayurvedic medicine, let us reaffirm our commitment to excellence in research and innovation. Let us embrace the spirit of collaboration and knowledge sharing, recognizing that our collective efforts will unlock new frontiers in healthcare and beyond. To the participants of this certificate program, I encourage you to seize this opportunity to expand your knowledge, enhance your skills, and become torchbearers of research excellence in your respective fields. In conclusion, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the organizers, collaborators, and participants who have made this program possible. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest who has taken his Padma Shri, Dr. Vaidya Kotecha ji, who has taken out his precious time for this program. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone, once again.
Thank you, ma'am, for enlightening us about the Maharshi Charak Ayurveda Research and Development Scheme and its remarkable achievements. Now, as a part of
Dr. Tanuja Nisari has also joined. I
yes.
welcome her also. She has also supported so much and has been basically foundation ground for this program as well, besides the current director. I welcome her also, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for awareing us about the Maharshi Charak Research and Development Scheme. And I hope two participants who earlier joined this program are presented here. And now, as a part of the organizing team, it's my privilege to take opportunity to provide a brief yet insightful overview of the certificate program on good clinical practice for Ayurvedic medicine. This program will be conducted from 2nd of April. The first session will be conducted tomorrow, and the program will continue till 30th April, and the classes will be delivered at 6 to 7 p.m. at the evening as per given schedule. There are 20 live scientific sessions. Recorded session will be provided if anyone missed the session during the live session. But the drawback is that you have to ask the query in the live session only. After in each session, there is a query session. All participants are encouraged to discuss your queries, doubts with the speakers. There will be also an online quiz having 20 questions in each quiz for self-practice and the assessment test after completion of the program for become eligible of the certification. There will be PDF notes will be provided for after completion of each live session. We will provide the PDF notes, and there are schedule is given in the browser. You can check all schedules and lectures, topic of the session, and content that need to be covered in that topic. The speakers are from all over India, all institutions, prestigious institutions. You can get benefit time to time about their experience. So now it is a great honor and privilege to introduce our esteemed guest of honor, Professor Sujata Dikadam ma'am, a distinguished academician, researcher, and administrator in the field of Ayurveda. Ma'am is currently serving as the director in charge of the All India Institute of Ayurveda, New Delhi, and as a dean and head of the Department of Shri and Prasuti Tantra at AIIA Goa, with an illustrious career spanning 28 years in teaching, research, and clinical practice. Ma'am made remarkable contribution to the advancement of Ayurvedic sciences, particularly in the domain of Prasuti Tantra and Shri Roga. Ma'am has 28 years of teaching, research, and clinical experience and held key leadership roles, including 19 years as a head of the department at Tilak Ayurveda Mahavidyalaya and Tarachin Hospital, and 5 years as the dean at AIIA New Delhi, followed by 2.5 years as a dean at AIIA Goa. Under the mentorship, she has successfully guided 56 postgraduate students and 11 PhD scholars, contributing significantly to academic excellence. Ma'am's research acumen is reflected in her 55 scientific publications in the reputed national and international journals, authorship of 4 books and multiple book chapters, and her pivotal role as an editor and reviewer for various research journals. She has also led groundbreaking research projects, including Ayurveda, a major initiative in collaboration with the Ministry of Ayush, IIT Delhi, and other reputed institutions. Her contribution extend beyond academia into policy making and institutional development. Ma'am has been a co-chairperson of the Ayush Accreditation Committee of NABH, a chairperson of several institutions, ethical committees, and an active member of research advisory bodies at AIIMS Rishikesh, Goa Medical College, and various universities. Ma'am has also been a key contributor to the curriculum development of Ayurveda education under the Central Council of Indian Medicine, CCIM, and NCISM. In recognition of her exceptional contribution, Ma'am has been honored with a prestigious award, including Best Teacher Award from Maharashtra University of Health Sciences, Nashik, and the Hiroji Indulekha Smriti Seva Samman Puruskar 2023. So we are truly privileged to have Professor Dr. Sujata Kadam ma'am with us today as a guest of honor and convener of the program also. Her invaluable insight and contribution continue to shape the future of Ayurvedic education, research, and healthcare. Let us extend a warm welcome to our esteemed guest of honor, Professor Dr. Sujata Kadam ma'am. Please, ma'am, welcome, ma'am.
Thank you. Namaskar and good evening to all. Honorable Secretaries Padma Shri Vaidya Rajesh Kotecha sir, Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, Professor Sanjeev Sharma sir, Vice Chancellor, National Institute of Ayurveda, Dean to be University, Jaipur, Professor Tanuja Manoj Mesri Madam, Director ITRA Jamnagar, Professor R.N. Acharya sir, DG CCRAS, Professor J. Tomar sir, Chairperson of Maharshi Charak Ayurveda Research and Development Scheme, the faculties, the researchers, scholars from all over India who are joining this online training program and members of the organizing team. It is both an honor and privilege to address this august gathering today as one of the organizer of this great initiative. As we came together to deliberate on profoundly important subject of strengthening evidence-based Ayurveda through good clinical practices, I welcome you all to this program, and this is very good initiative collaborating many institutes. In today's world, where science and evidence-based medicine is guiding healthcare decisions, it is very imperative that we bridge our Ayurveda system with a rigor of modern research methodologies. And where there is a research, there comes a good clinical practice, which is playing a very pivotal role. GCP is not merely a set of guidelines, but it is commitment of excellence, ethics, and patient safety in clinical research. By adopting GCP, we ensure that Ayurvedic interventions are studied with the same scientific precision as conventional therapies. And this will enhance credibility of Ayurveda, ensure the patient safety, and facilitate the integration. All India Institute of Ayurveda has been a mandate with the vision to be an outstanding center of excellence for Ayurveda tertiary healthcare and set higher standards of education, research, and patient care for the benefit of humanity. And to achieve this vision, the Institute is continuously involved in upskilling its faculty and scholars towards the practical and applied aspect of Ayurveda. This event is one of such effort in this direction that All India Institute of Ayurveda is doing. We are NABH accredited 200-bedded hospital in Goa campus and 250-bedded hospital in 200-bedded hospital in Delhi campus and 250-bedded hospital in Goa campus. And we are having ISO certificate also for the quality management system. At AIIA, we are imparting PG and PhD courses in Delhi campus, and the department are regularly involved in creating benchmarks of highest standards in field of clinical researches. Till date, we have conducted more than 200 randomized clinical trials, which are duly approved by IRB IEC committee. These have been registered prospectively in CTRI. It includes work of PG, PhD scholars and collaborative projects with national and international MOU partners. We also have Data Safety and Monitoring Board under Department of Translational Research and Biostatistics, which periodically reviews and evaluates the accumulated study data for the participant safety and study conduct and the progress. All is monitored by Data Safety Monitoring Board. We are also pioneer in developing SOPs for various Ayurvedic procedures like Panchakarma, Uttar Basti, and Nase, etc. Thus, you can see that All India Institute is already working actively in this good clinical practice direction. It is also noteworthy to mention here that recently ICMR has come up with the document on ethical requirements for research in integrative medicine. It has been recommended therein that for undertaking an ethics review of proposed research in integrative medicine, the ethics committee shall invite 2 subject experts of EC meeting of relevant Ayush systems. Further, medicinal product or modalities approved for use in clinical Ayush practice will not require additional evidence of the safety. We can see that this is an opportunity and utilize this opportunity to strengthen our evidence-based practices of Ayurveda through robust clinical trials. As All India Institute of Ayurveda, in collaboration with Institute of Applied Statistics and supported by Ministry of Ayush and CCRAS, we are equally positioned to lead this transformative initiative. Our efforts will focus on developing standardized GCP protocols tailored for Ayurvedic research, respecting its holistic principles, training researchers and practitioners in ethical trial design and data documentation and statistical analysis, fostering interdisciplinary and collaborative research between Ayurvedic scholars, biostatisticians, and modern medical practitioners and researchers. Our researchers, faculty, and scholars present here today, the future of Ayurveda rests in your hands. Let us embrace this opportunity to conduct rigorous, transparent, and reproducible studies, document traditional knowledge with scientific validation, work collectively to position Ayurveda as a global leader in evidence-based traditional medicines. Under the visionary guidance of Ministry of Ayush, with the collective efforts of institutions like CCRAS, Maharshi Charak Sansthan, and Institute of Applied Statistics, I am confident that we can achieve this milestone with collaboration of all of us. Let us embark on the journey together with conviction, collaboration, and shared commitment to the excellence. Thank you all, and all the best wishes to scholars and researchers, faculties for having a very good knowledge journey to this for the 1 month. Thank you one and all.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words and awaiting all of us about the initiatives by Ministry of Ayush and All India Institute of Ayurveda. I hope participants get benefited from the schemes and do more research. If we are open, if any participant want to get more knowledge, we just guide you about to get benefit from the schemes available. So, and thank you, ma'am, for your unwavering commitment and guidance have been instrumental in making this event possible. We deeply appreciate your time, wisdom, and dedication to making this program successful. So now it is my distinct pleasure to introduce the distinguished guest of the inaugural ceremony, Professor Tanuja Nisari, ma'am, a prominent leader in the field of Ayurvedic pharmacology, currently serving as the director at ITRA Jamnagar. Ma'am previously served as the director and head of the division of Translational Research and Biostatistics at All India Institute of Ayurveda, New Delhi. Ma'am stands at the forefront of groundbreaking research and innovation in Ayurveda. Her leadership extends beyond academia as she holds key positions such as the chair for Health Sector Sub-Council for Ayush under the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, and the CEO of the National Medicinal Plant Board. Professor Tanuja Nisari, ma'am's illustrious career is marked by a rich tapestry of accomplishments, including roles as additional director, academics, and medical superintendent at the Brahma Prakash Ayurveda Charak Sansthan, and principal and medical superintendent of Tilak Ayurveda College, Pune. With nearly 3 decades of experience, ma'am has earned widespread recognition for her pioneering research endeavors. Her expertise spans diverse areas from the quality, safety, and efficacy of the medicinal plants to the validation of neurocognitive enhancing properties. Through the leadership, ma'am has spearheaded numerous clinical research projects, fostering interdisciplinary collaboration and advancing the frontiers of Ayurvedic knowledge. In recognition of her outstanding contribution to the field, Professor Tanjana Sari ma'am has received numerous accolades, further cementing her status as a leading figure in Ayurveda. Her dedication to mentorship is evident in the significant number of scholars as guided at the postgraduate level, nurturing the next generation of Ayurvedic researchers and practitioners. Please join me in welcoming Professor Tanjana Sari ma'am as true visionary in the Ayurvedic research to share her invaluable experience and insight with all delegates and researchers present today in the program. Please ma'am, welcome.
अरे अमित जी 6:30 पे हमारे चीफ गेस्ट कोटेचा साहब जुड़ने वाले हैं, ठीक है?
Yes sir.
6:30 पे ही ज्वाइनिंग जस्ट, ओके? तो आप मैम को बुलाइए क्योंकि उनको समय नहीं है, समय कम है, ठीक है?
Okay sir, okay, we will do a point.
Okay, it's all right.
So I request to Professor Tanjana Sari ma'am, please share your experience with all of us. Ma'am is joined by, I think, ma'am, can you hear me? Ma'am, you are muted at your end. Yes, please unmute here. Yes, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am.
Yes, namaste. Hello. Yeah,
Yes,
I think
ma'am.
there is a
Audible.
echo. So, the chief guest of today's inaugural ceremony, respected Secretary Vaidya Rajesh Kotecha ji, the organizer Tomar ji, and the entire team, Madam Divesima Dwivedi and your entire team, Sujata Kadam, AIIA ki present director, the entire team, all the experts, Vice Chancellor, National Institute of Ayurveda, Sanjeev Sharma ji, then Ravi Narayan ji. I see and I congratulate Institute of Applied Statistics also for organizing this series of lectures and this training program on GCP, which is really need of an hour, and also my team from All India Institute of Ayurveda, which we very closely say that, fondly say that it is our AIIA family, and I have now joined ITRA family. So it's a extended AIIA family, ITRA family, and all entire Ayurveda family, we can say, and the integrated with the integrated approach. When we said that Ayurveda is to be validated, it should be integrated not only with the conventional medicine, but it should be integrated with the science, technology, and the research methodology is not the one when we always say that apple cannot be compared with the oranges. Whatever is the language which entire world understands, and various peer-reviewed journal, the rejection rate is very high because all the scientific publications and all the methodology is applied and understood as we are comparing apple with the oranges. So, but what is more important, what we have understood over these decades is that the methodology is the same. It is how we take it, how the design is being done, whether it is a whole system research, whether it is a black box design, the randomization factorial hai kya. So all the whatever the latest methodology जो है उसमें से हम हमारे साइंस के लिए हम कैसे डिजाइन करते हैं, कैसे प्रोटोकॉल बनाते हैं, how we analyze qualitative, quantitative methods of statistical analysis कैसे है, how we interpret data कैसे करते हैं. तो this really is an art और इसमें अपडेट बहुत है because what I have learned and what I understood, I also used to teach research methodology long back for a decade ago at Tilak Ayurveda College. But over the years, there are many new tools and the outcome measures, those have been evolved that needs to be understood. So it is a continuous update is required. As we say that the computers is a new generation computer, and the technology, mobile technology, we used to have the handset, and now it is a newer smartphone, now AI powered phone. It is a Apple की भी series बढ़ रही है, Samsung की भी बढ़ रही है. So same is with the methodology. Even in the research, it is a AI powered tool. Synthesis of the evidence, mapping of the evidence using the AI powered tool is also the new way of looking at the research and interpreting the, collecting the data, and clinical research management, CRM, and CDM, that is a clinical data management. A decade back, we had done the course on clinical GCP, clinical research management and data management. And many IT companies, they have evolved, like Oracle and many others, they have mastered, they have the tool for the clinical data management. Even in the COVID time, we did at All India Institute a largest cohort study with the public, including 80,000 Delhi police personnel, where Public Health Foundation of India was roped in, but the Oracle-based, the software for the capturing of the immunity status was developed, which is customized for the research question. So these are some of the things we have to understand, and I'm sure this highly accomplished group of the experts will definitely do the justice. I would also like, I am always continuous, we all are the continuous learner, and we require in the research methodology, our knowledge becomes obsolete every new year. There are many updates that needs to be inculcated. Our students, our younger generations are smarter than us. And for the publication, what are the authors guideline? What are the different reporting guidelines? Where the Prisma is used, where the consort is used, where the other guidelines and stroke, and now there are 2-3 guidelines to be used for the reporting altogether. So these are many things. We have to be very agile, we have to be very smart, but the ethical and the writer's way of doing the research is really must, and this is an art. And I'm sure we, Simaji, we had decided last year to do it at All India Institute of Ayurveda, and I was there as a director. I was there for the inauguration of this research methodology, which was jointly organized by CCRAS and ITRA. Now the position is changed. I had an opportunity to head the ITRA and had an opportunity to present for the inauguration of my own institution. And I'm sure Shalini, Shivani, Sujata Madam, Prashant Gupta, and my entire team, Prashant Dharmarajan and many others have joined with Sujata Madam to organize it, and with all the experts from the Institute of Applied Statistics and all across the country will be there as a resource person. And I once again congratulate you, Madam, and our entire our team, and I wish you all the success. But what dream we had thought together under the visionary leadership of Tomar sir, because he was constantly insisting to start it. But I think this is the big start we are doing, and I am sure this will not stop once it is started. So thank you for giving this opportunity, and I wish all the success. And I, for in the interest of the faculty, in the interest of the student, this activity must go on continue, and I'm sure all the updates will definitely be discussed largely. And I'll be happy to join in between to keep in. Thank you very much. Namaste.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words, and I really appreciate the support from provided from the All India Institute of Ayurveda and from you always at a very quick time. Whenever we ask any support, definitely Dr. Salini ma'am and the other faculties, they provide a quick support to me, and we just today here to inaugurate this program under supervision of Professor Sujata Kadam ma'am and all of you. So Again, now we are truly honored to have Dr. G.S. Tomar sir, the chairperson of Maharshi Charak Ayurveda Research and Development Scheme and president of Vishwa Ayurveda Mission, as our esteemed guest of honor today. Currently serving as the CRA Guru of Rashtriya Ayurveda Vidyapeeth, Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. Sir brings a wealth of experience and insight to the gathering always. Sir's illustrious career includes serving as the former principal of Government Ayurvedic College, India Prayagraj, and being honored as a fellow of Rashtriya Ayurveda Vidyapeeth. His expertise extends to key positions in several renowned institutions, including Technical Working Group for Ayush and TEP collaboration under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, and the Executive Council of Mahayogi Guru Gorakhnath Ayush University, Gorakhpur, and the member of Scientific Committee of AIIA Jaipur also. With an impressive 42 years of clinical experience, Dr. Thomas sir has been a guiding force in the field of Ayurveda. His dedication has earned him several prestigious awards, including Shiksha Shri Award, Yag Gaurav Samman, Kavya Pratishtha Samman, Dhanvantri Award, and the Lifetime Achievement Award also, and many more. Notably, he also received the 20th Century Scholar Award from the New York, USA for his outstanding contributions in the Ayurveda domain. We are incredibly fortunate to have Dr. G.S. Tomar sir with us today again, and not just as a guest of honor, but also as the convener of the impactful program. Now it is my honor to invite Dr. G.S. Tomar sir to share his spanning word of wisdom with all of us. Please, sir, welcome, sir.
धन्यवाद अमित जी. मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
मैं इस ज्ञान यज्ञ में हमारे मुख्य अतिथि, मुझे बड़े सौभाग्य है, मुझे बड़ी प्रसन्नता है कि अपने व्यस्त क्षणों में से हमारे मुख्य अतिथि पद्मश्री वैद्य राजेश कोटेचा जी, ऑनरेबल सेक्रेटरी मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ आयुष गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, आज हमारे साथ उपस्थित हो चुके हैं, हमारे साथ जुड़ चुके हैं. मैं उनका बहुत हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं, स्वागत करता हूं. और मुझे प्रसन्नता है इस ज्ञान यज्ञ को सहर्ष आपने इनॉग्रल सेरेमनी को एज ए चीफ गेस्ट इनॉग्रेट करने के लिए अपनी स्वीकृति दी. उसके लिए मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं. हमारे साथ हमारी बहुत पुरानी ये इच्छा थी कि इस कार्यक्रम को हम ऑल इंडिया इंस्टीट्यूट के साथ करें, तो हमारी मैडम तनुजा नेसरी जी जुड़ी हुई हैं. आपने एक नया स्टेप दे दिया कि बिटरा में ये कार्यक्रम कराएंगी. वो सुजाता जी ने इस दायित्व का निर्वहन किया, मैं उनको बहुत बहुत साधुवाद देता हूँ. आज विशेष रूप से मैं ये बताना चाहूंगा कि हमारे माननीय ने अपने प्रयास से आयुर्वेद को उन ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचाया है जिसकी बहुत पुरानी हम लोगों की आकांक्षा रही है. संपूर्ण विश्व में आयुर्वेद आज एक अच्छे सिस्टम के रूप में एस्टेब्लिश हो रहा है. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, एक छोटी सी बात मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि गुड क्लिनिकल प्रैक्टिस की जब हम बात करते हैं तो वी आर फुली अवेयर कि आयुर्वेद इज ए टाइम टेस्टेड साइंस. नो डाउट. सिद्धांतो नाम यशतः परीक्षिकै बहुविध परिच हेतुविद साधत्वा स्थापित निर्णय. नो डाउट. बट हमारा जो ज्ञान है वो त्रिकाल सिद्ध है. जो भूत में भी वही था, वर्तमान में भी वही है, आगे भी वही रहेगा. लेकिन प्रमाण की जब हम बात करते हैं, हम आत्मोपदेश, प्रत्यक्ष, अनुमान और युक्ति के द्वारा जो ज्ञान हमारा है आगे जा रहा है. लेकिन वर्तमान परिदृश्य में आयुर्वेद भारतवर्ष की चार दीवारी से निकलकर विश्व के फलक पर स्थापित हो रहा है. इस दृष्टिकोण से हमको अपने आयुर्वेद को वी हैव टू वैलिडेट आयुर्वेदिक सिस्टम ऑफ मेडिसिन ऑन करेंट साइंटिफिक पैरामीटर्स टू कन्विंस द ग्लोबल कम्युनिटी. तो इसके ऊपर जो प्रयास किया जा रहा है, इसलिए वी आर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग दिस प्रोग्राम रिगार्डिंग द गुड क्लिनिकल प्रैक्टिसेस इन आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिन. तो इसकी वजह से एक साइंटिफिक डेटा को हम वैलिडेट करेंगे, साइंटिफिक स्टडी को उसी डिजाइन में हम करेंगे, उसी में रिपोर्ट करेंगे, सेफ्टी प्रोफाइल भी तैयार करेंगे, डेटा को प्रॉपर्ली तैयार करेंगे जिससे कि हम संपूर्ण विश्व के सामने रख सकें. हम अधिक समय न लेकर के हम माननीय सचिव महोदय के सामने केवल एक अनाउंसमेंट और करना चाहेंगे कि आज आपके आशीर्वाद से, आपके प्रयास से पद्मश्री हमारे जो है लेट प्रोफेसर रामहर सिंह, पद्मश्री प्रोफेसर रामहर सिंह मेमोरियल रिसर्च टेबल ग्रांट का भी एक हम लोगों ने आपके कर कमलों से आपकी उपस्थिति में हम अनाउंसमेंट कराने जा रहे हैं. 25,000 रुपीज ईयरली हम उन बच्चों को देंगे जिनको कहीं से कोई आपको कहीं से कोई सपोर्ट नहीं मिलेगा और जिनका पेपर एक्सेप्टेड होगा. तो रजिस्ट्रेशन फीस अलोंग विद द सेकंड क्लास एसी फेयर विल बी गिवन टू दोज स्टूडेंट्स. 7 लोगों की हमारी जूरी है, उसके सामने उनका एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म आएगा और ईयरली इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ अप्लाइड स्टैटिस्टिक्स और हमारी चरक रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट स्कीम की तरफ से 25,000 ईयरली इस ग्रांट का अनाउंसमेंट हम आपकी प्रेजेंस में, आपके सानिध्य में करना चाहते हैं, जिससे हमारे यंग रिसर्चर्स को इसमें लाभ मिले. इसका सारी सूचना आगे हम अपनी वेबसाइट पर डाल देंगे. इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं अमित जी से कहूंगा कि हमारे माननीय सचिव महोदय को इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए आगे लें और उसके बाद उनको आमंत्रित करें, जिससे कार्यक्रम हम आगे बढ़ा सके। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Dhanyawad, sir, for your profound and motivating words, and for always being the guiding force behind all programs initiated under the Maharshi Charak scheme. Now, it is with immense pleasure and honor that we extend a heartfelt welcome to the esteemed chief guest of the online inaugural ceremony of this 1-month online certificate program on good clinical practice for Ayurvedic medicine. The Honorable Padma Shri Rajesh Kotecha, sir, Secretary of the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. Padma Shri awardee Honorable Rajesh Kotecha, sir, stands as a towering figure in the field of Ayurveda, bringing with him a wealth of experience and expertise. His distinguished career includes serving as the Vice Chancellor of the prestigious Gujarat Ayurveda University in Jamnagar during 2013 to 16. Following his remarkable contribution, he was appointed as the Secretary of the Ministry of Ayush in July 2017, showcasing his unwavering dedication to the advancement of traditional Indian system of medicine. Sir's academic journey is marked by notable achievements, including obtaining his doctorate in Ayurveda medicine from Gujarat Ayurveda University in 1991, which his scholarly pursuits have been recognized with numerous accolades such as the Global Ayurveda Physician Award 2007 from the Chief Minister of Delhi, Mrs. Sheila Dikshit. India on 2nd March 2008 conferred by Hakim Ajmal Khan Society, New Delhi, and Ayurveda Ratna Award 2008 from International Academy of Ayurveda Physicians for the year 2008, and the prestigious Padma Shri Award, Padma Shri, conferred by the President of India in 2015. This is the 4th highest honor by the Government of India given to a recognition of the contribution in the area of Ayurvedic medicine. Apart from his remarkable academic achievements, Sir is an accomplished author, having penned insightful works like Concept of Atharva Vinivesha in Ayurveda and the Beginner Guide to Ayurveda, which offer invaluable insight into Ayurvedic principles and practice for holistic well-being. His vast repertoire of experiences spans across various domains, including academia, research, administration, and corporate sectors also. From serving as the head of Department of Ayurveda and PG Institute Ayurveda to his tenure as Director of Research at J.R.D. Tata Foundation for Research in Ayurveda and Yoga Sciences, Dr. Kotecha sir has consistently demonstrated exemplary leadership and vision. Furthermore, sir's commitment to promoting Ayurveda extends globally, as evidenced by his involvement in international conferences and collaborations as the trustee of the World Ayurveda Foundation and the patron of AYU, a renowned peer-reviewed journal. He continued to spread initiatives aimed at fostering the growth and recognition of Ayurveda on a global scale. With his multifaceted expertise and unwavering dedication, Rajesh Kotecha sir embodies the spirit of innovation and excellence in the field of Ayurveda. We are deeply honored today to have him grace our inaugural ceremony and eagerly anticipate his enlightening insights. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to the Honorable Padma Shri Rajesh Kotecha sir to grace this ceremony and bless us as we embark on this enriching journey of learning and discovery. Please, sir, welcome, sir.
Thank you. आदरणीय गणमान्य व्यक्ति, सम्मानित विशेषज्ञ, सभी संकाय सदस्यगण, प्रोफेसर तोमर जी, प्रोफेसर तनुजा जी, आप सबको मेरा प्रणाम। सभी प्रतिभागियों को मेरा प्रणाम। मुझे अत्यंत हर्ष और गर्व हो रहा है कि आयुर्वेदिक चिकित्सा के लिए गुड क्लिनिकल प्रैक्टिस जीसीपी पर 1 महीने के ऑनलाइन प्रमाण पत्र कार्यक्रम के उद्घाटन समारोह में आप सभी से वार्तालाप करने का मुझे सुअवसर प्राप्त हुआ है। यह कार्यक्रम इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एप्लाइड स्टैटिस्टिक्स, अखिल भारतीय आयुर्वेद संस्थान और CCRAS द्वारा संयुक्त रूप से आयोजित किया जा रहा है। आयुर्वेद अनुसंधान के क्षेत्र में गुड क्लिनिकल प्रैक्टिस एक महत्वपूर्ण विषय है। प्रैक्टिस के लिए ये बहुत आवश्यक है कि हम एक गुड क्लिनिकल प्रैक्टिस के हमारे पास स्किल्ड प्रोफेशनल्स हो, तो आयुर्वेद का जो सभी क्षेत्रों में विकास हुआ है, लोगों में डिमांड बढ़ी है, उसकी हम ठीक प्रकार से क्वालिटेटिव आपूर्ति कर सके। और हमारे पारंपरिक चिकित्सा ज्ञान की वैज्ञानिकता, वैश्विक विश्वसनीयता और प्रमाण आधारित मान्यता को ये सुनिश्चित करता है। मैं आयोजकों को जीसीपी जैसे अत्यंत आवश्यक विषय को कार्यक्रम के रूप में आयोजित करने के लिए हार्दिक धन्यवाद और सराहना व्यक्त करता हूँ। हमें पता है कि आयुष मंत्रालय समग्र और एकीकृत स्वास्थ्य दृष्टिकोण को बढ़ावा देने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है और इस दिशा में निरंतर कार्य चल रहा है। जैसा कि विदित है, पिछले 1 दशक में नीति समर्थन, अनुसंधान, प्रगति और वैश्विक स्वीकृति के माध्यम से आयुष प्रणालियों के प्रचार प्रसार में निरंतर विकास हुआ है। कोविड-19 के बाद आयुष को वैश्विक स्तर पर पहचान मिली है और जो चिकित्सकीय प्रमाणों, साक्ष्य आधारित शोध, एविडेंस बेस्ड रिसर्च और तेजी से बढ़ते उद्योग के समर्थन से प्रेरित है। हमें ये भी सबको जानकारी है कि पिछले 10 वर्षों में जो 2014 से 24 तक का जो 24 तक का कार्यकाल है, उसमें 10 वर्षों में या मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ आयुष की स्थापना के 10 वर्षों में पूरे सेक्टर का 8 गुना वृद्धि हुई है। और अभी एक NSSO सर्वे हुआ, उसमें ये भी पता चला कि 95% से 96% भारतीय आयुष विधाओं के बारे में अवेयर है, उनको जानकारी है। उसमें से 50% से ज्यादा आयुष विधाओं का प्रयोग अपने स्वास्थ्य के लिए करते हैं। योग को भी 2.5 करोड़ हाउस होल्ड में एक कम से कम एक व्यक्ति रोज योग करता है। ये सब परिणाम हमें मिले हैं। ये साक्ष्य आधारित शोध और तेजी से बढ़ते आयुष के प्रदर्शन के ऊपर आधारित है और इसमें GCP ये ट्रेनिंग ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट है, इसलिए मैं पुनः एक बार इसका उल्लेख करना चाहूंगा। और वास्तव में जब हम इसको आयुष की पोटेंशियल को देखते हैं तो हमें ध्यान में आता है कि हमारे पास नंबर्स तो बहुत है, लेकिन इतने सारे नंबर्स को हम यदि अपस्किलिंग करते हैं, गुड क्लिनिकल प्रैक्टिस जैसे पाठ्यक्रम के माध्यम से हमारे चिकित्सकों का अपस्किलिंग करते हैं, उनको अपग्रेड करते हैं, तो लोगों की हम और अच्छे से सेवा कर सकते हैं। आयुष प्रणालियों का मुख्य धारा के स्वास्थ्य देखभाल में एकीकरण सरकार की प्राथमिकताओं में शामिल रहा है। जैसे कि राष्ट्रीय स्वास्थ्य मिशन के साथ साथ नेशनल आयुष मिशन, राष्ट्रीय आयुष मिशन मिलकर के को-लोकेशन, आयुष ICMR उन्नत केंद्रों की स्थापना, आयुष अनुसंधान पोर्टल जिसमें 43,000 से अधिक शोध पत्र संग्रहित है, आयुष हस्तलिपियां, मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट की सुरक्षा, प्रभावशीलता, उनके कार्य प्रणालियों पर साक्ष्य प्रदान करने के लिए एक अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण संसाधन बन चुका है। हमें ये कहा जाता है कि आयुष विधाओं में आपके पास एविडेंस नहीं है, लेकिन अपना आयुष रिसर्च पोर्टल को एक बार आप सभी को मैं निवेदन करूंगा कि एक बार आप जाके देखिए, वहाँ ऐसे 43,000 पब्लिकेशंस को साइट किया गया है। इसलिए ये पोर्टल जो है ये अनुसंधान को प्रोत्साहित करने, उसको वैश्विक स्तर पर वैज्ञानिक आधार को मजबूत सशक्त करने में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभा रहा है। हमने अभी ये भी जानकारी है कि 2013 में भारत सरकार ने आयुर्वेद, सिद्ध और यूनानी चिकित्सा पद्धतियों के लिए गुड क्लिनिकल प्रैक्टिस के प्रकाशन किया है। और हाल में ICMR, अभी पिछले महीने ICMR ने अपने जो रिसर्च एथिक्स की गाइडलाइन, एथिकल गाइडलाइन, उसको आयुष के समावेश करने के लिए उसको मॉडिफिकेशन अभी प्रकाशित किया है। इसमें कहा गया है कि सभी प्रकार के जो क्लिनिकल रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट है, उसकी जो एथिक्स कमेटी है, उसमें आयुष का रिप्रेजेंटेशन भी सुनिश्चित करना चाहिए, ताकि आयुष का ठीक प्रकार से रिप्रेजेंटेशन हो और एक इंक्लूसिव रिसर्च के क्षेत्र में हम लोग मिलकर आगे बढ़े। आज के कार्यक्रम में भाग ले रहे सभी प्रतिभागियों से मेरी यह निवेदन है, अपेक्षा है कि आप आयुष आधारित अनुसंधान को आगे बढ़ाएं, उसमें महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाएं और साथ ही अपने अनुसंधान कौशल को और सशक्त बनाएंगे, जैसे कि आयुर्वेद के सिद्धांतों की वैज्ञानिक पुष्टि में हम महत्वपूर्ण योगदान दें। इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एप्लाइड स्टैटिस्टिक्स AIIA और CCRAS के मार्गदर्शन में किया जा रहा यह कार्यक्रम अनुसंधान उत्कृष्टता, नीति प्रगति और आयुर्वेद की प्रमाण आधारित स्वीकृति को वैश्विक स्तर पर प्रोत्साहित करेगा। मैं विशेष रूप से प्रोफेसर तोमर जी का उल्लेख करना चाहूंगा कि ये एक प्रकार से इस प्रकार की एक्टिविटी के एपिसेंटर है और उनको मैं एक बार मेरी तरफ से व्यक्तिगत बधाई देना चाहूंगा। अंत में पुनः एक बार फिर मैं आयोजकों को इस पहल के लिए बधाई देता हूं और इस प्रशिक्षण कार्यक्रम के सार्थक चर्चा, प्रभावशाली सहयोग और सकारात्मक परिणामों की कामना करता हूं। आप सबका खूब खूब धन्यवाद। नमस्कार।
Thank you so much, sir. We are truly grateful for your time you have taken to share your expertise with all of us, and your words of encouragement and guidance will undoubtedly serve as the beacon of inspiration for all the participants presented here from all prestigious institutions from the India as they embark on this journey of learning and discovery. Your support will continue to guide and motivate us as we strive to advance in the field of Ayurveda. Thank you so much, sir, again for gracing us with your presence.
एक बार फिर मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा माननीय पद्मश्री वैद्य राजेश कोटेचा जी, जो कि हमें गौरव की बात है, हमारे लिए बड़े गर्व की बात है कि आज भारत सरकार में आयुष की प्रतिष्ठा में जो वृद्धि हो रही है, श्री वृद्धि हो रही है, इस श्री वृद्धि में बहुत बड़ा श्रेय आपको जाता है। भगवान धन्वंतरी आपको चिरायु करें और आपको निरंतर आयुर्वेद को विकास के पथ पर ले जाने की प्रेरणा देते रहें। इसी शुभकामना के साथ मैं बहुत बहुत आपको साधुवाद देता हूं कि आपने इतने व्यस्त क्षणों में से, मिनिस्ट्री के बड़े आवश्यक कार्यों में से आपने समय निकाला और हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स को आपने वो किया। दूसरा, सुजाता जी के हाथ में जो आपने जो मशाल थमाई है अभी इंस्टीट्यूट की, मुझे विश्वास है कि ये संस्थान अपनी ऊंचाइयों को छुएगा। और तनुजा जी एक संस्थान को देख रही हैं, ये ऐसे स्रोत हैं, ऐसे सेंटर्स हैं जिससे कि आयुर्वेद के विकास की एक स्थिति को हम लोग पूरे विश्व में पहुंचा पाएंगे। पुनः आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हमारे इस कार्यक्रम में शरीक होने के लिए। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर।
Thank you so much, sir, again. So, moving forwards, it is with great pleasure and honor that we introduce the esteemed distinguished guest for this inaugural ceremony, Professor Vaidya Acharya, sir, currently serving as the Director General of the Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Sciences, New Delhi, with over 27 years of dedicated service in the field of Ayurvedic Sciences. Professor Acharya, sir, has made significant contribution to both teaching and research. Sir's distinguished career includes his tenure as a professor of Draviguna at ITRA Jamnagar, where he not only imparted knowledge but also served as the head of the Department of Draviguna and Dean. His academic and research contributions are extensive, with more than 325 research articles published in peer-reviewed journals and 5 authored books. Additionally, he has contributed over 10 chapters to various academic publications. His expertise has been sought by notable organizations such as IGNU and the WHO, where he has served as the course writer and temporary advisor, respectively. Professor Acharya sir's commitment to the advancement of Ayurvedic sciences is further reflected in his service to the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, where he has held pivotal roles, including chairman of the Ayurvedic Pharmacopoeia Committee and the national coordinator for the National Pharmacovigilance Program for ASU tax. Under his leadership, numerous research projects have with more than 10 grants led under his supervision. Professor Acharya has also mentored more than 35 PhD candidates and guided more than 51 post-thesis dissertations in the field of Draviguna. His contributions extend globally as he has represented India in international forums such as World Health Organization's meetings on herb-drug interactions and pharmacovigilance. In recognition of his exceptional contributions, Professor Acharya sir has received prestigious accolades, including the Best Teacher Award for Drug Research Teaching and the Best Research Paper Award on the Library Research in Ayurveda from the CCRAS, Government of India. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to Professor Vaidya Acharya sir as we commence this auspicious ceremony and this by his presence and insights. Please, sir, welcome, sir.
मैं प्रोफेसर आचार्य जी का विशेष रूप से अभिनंदन करता हूं कि आप रिसर्च के एक ऐसे पर्याय बन चुके हैं कि CCRAS में आपने रिसर्च को एक नई दिशा देने का प्रयास किया है और आपके इस गंभीर प्रयास के लिए मैं आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं। और एक छोटे से इस कार्यक्रम को, इसके माध्यम से एक लोगों के अंदर रिसर्च के प्रति एक जागरूकता पैदा करना और हमारे डाटा को वैलिडेट करने के लिए साइंटिफिक एविडेंस कलेक्ट करना, इसके लिए जो प्रयास किया जा रहा है, इसमें आपका सहयोग और कोलैबोरेशन निश्चित रूप से सराहनीय है। तो मैं आपका अभिनंदन करता हूं, स्वागत करता हूं कि इस कार्यक्रम में आप उपस्थित होकर के अपना अभिनंदन, अपना उद्बोधन देने का कष्ट करें। प्रोफेसर आचार्य।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। Am I audible?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, most respected Honorable Secretary, Professor Vaidya Rajesh Kotecha ji, Director ITRA, Professor Tanuja Nesri ji, Dr. Sujata Kadam, Director AIIA, Tomar ji, the most respected and senior most professor of Ayurveda, and Seema ji, then Avinash, Suvas, Subham from the family of Indian Institute of Applied Statistics, and dear participants of this 1-month workshop. At the outset, I thank Tomarji for his nice words. And dear friends, as you all know, CCRAS is the one of the pioneer research organization under the Ministry of Ayush and looking after Ayurveda. And if you go to the history, you will see that whenever being a student of Dravya Guna or being a student of research methodology, when we go for publications, and when we go for publications after completion of our research works, it may be an animal research or drug research or clinical research, or most of the research papers are being rejected outrage that with a single view of the reviewers, not only from the reviewers, but also from editor desk, that your research is not properly designed, your article is not properly drafted, and the research outcomes are not matched with the aim of the study. And above and all, so many factors, just like I am highlighting one factor here, that when we submit an article, and we thought that whatever we have carried out, it is not there. Just like in a review, being a reviewer or being an executive editor, chief editor of 2 journals. When, taking the examples of CTRI. We do research and do something and write it in CTRI that we are working on this and that, this is our sample size, this is that. But when we publish the article, our sample size changed, our methodology changed, and CTRI, even if the title in the CTRI is totally different than our research article, whatever we are publishing. So the editor, being an editor, we immediately reject, because this is not only ethical, but also not scientific. So research every day, whatever we have published so many research articles, our scientists they must be trained repeatedly. And this training of research methodology, what Honorable Secretary Sir told, that it is quite necessary as we are progressing worldwide for the better treatment. Ayush is being recognized in Ayurveda, in particular, more recognized worldwide. We need quality, and this quality, it will be achieved by training, frequent training. And we always see that the government organizations are being, there will be the Minister of Ayush will fund something, Minister of Ayush then will organize the training programs, Minister of Ayush will sponsor the training programs, but this is not going to happen. We have to take some steps. So the organizations like in Institute of Applied Statistics and Maharshi Charak Sansthan, who are coming forward, they are supposed to be encouraged, and that's why CCRAS is a part. We do. CCRAS does research programs like training programs, like we have started ARMS, Ayurveda Research Methodology and Statistics. We have started Prayatna, but we can't reach each and every stakeholders of Ayurveda, because now, as on today, we have 642 Ayurveda colleges in the country. We have 642 Ayurveda colleges in the country, and to train them in a single go by CCRAS or AIIA or ITRA, it is not possible. So other good quality organizations who are having the mandate for this type of things should come forward, and I welcome the steps taken by Indian Institute of Applied Statistics. That's why CCRAS is a partner when it was conducted with NIA, when it was conducted at ITRA, when it was conducted now with AIIA. CCRAS is being a factor, because we want to make keep intact the quality. When we talk about it, when you talk about ITRA, when you talk about AIIA, when you talk about NIA, then and also CCRAS, we talk about that. That's why CCRAS is being a partner of this programs. So I welcome, and I hope this previously successfully the programs has been conducted, so their students get updated. It is not that we are updated. CCRAS is a partner. Our scientists also, after 20 years of 25 years, 15 years of experience, we are being trained with ICMR. We have conducted one training programs with ICMR on a good research GCP, and our 30 scientists, we got directions from the ministry. We have an MOU with ICMR. So our scientists are also being updated with research methodology, research, what Professor Nesri told. But many research things, new things are coming up in the research methodology and also research perspectives. So all these things needs to be updated. So we are being updated, and we are also part to disseminate the same with the other things. So I am sure this 1 month training programs will be quite successful, and you all the participants be actively participate and attend the programs and give your feedback in a very critical way. That's another point why CCRAS is here. Give your feedback in a critical way, how the lectures were and how the lectures have been delivered, whether your queries have been answered or not, or whether you have updated your knowledge. All these things give a feedback in a critical way, so that we will revise ourselves and we will update ourselves in the future training programs. With this word, I again thanks Professor Seemaji and all his team for this purpose. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. We are truly grateful for your time you have taken to share your expertise with all of us. Your word of encouragement and guidance will undoubtedly serve as a beacon for inspiration for all the participants, scholars, and researchers as they join and they embark on this journey of learning and discovery. And I again request, as sir said, that I will share after each session the feedback form, and I request and encourage to all participants that please provide genuine feedback to improve the quality of the program day by day. So your support will continue to guide and motivate us, sir, as we strive to advance in the field of Ayurveda. Thank you so much, sir, again for your time and presence in this program. So I'm just our distinguished guest, the VC sir, Honorable VC sir from the AIIA Jaipur is currently traveling and unable to join. And so I would like to request Dr. Thomas sir to say a few words, and then we will move towards the end of this program.
थैंक यू अमित जी। हमारे माननीय वाइस चांसलर NIA डीम्ड टू बी यूनिवर्सिटी इस समय ट्रेवलिंग में हैं, तो अभी जुड़ नहीं पा रहे हैं। उनकी शुभकामनाएं हमारे साथ हैं। और अभी आचार्य जी ने अपने ज्ञानपूर्ण उद्बोधन से इस रिसर्च की जो यूटिलिटी है और इसका जो स्टैंडर्ड है उसके बारे में जो चर्चा की, उसके लिए मैं उन्हें बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं। उनका निरंतर ये मार्गदर्शन मिलता रहेगा, जिससे शोध की हम दिशा को आगे बढ़ा पाएंगे। हम इस कार्यक्रम में बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहते हैं हमारे प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर शुभम पांडे, जिनका निरंतर ये प्रयास है कि किसी प्रकार से हम शोध की इस दिशा को संपूर्ण विश्व में पहुंचाएं। मेरा एक और प्रयास है, आज बहुत रिक्वेस्ट लोगों की आ रही है कि हमारे प्रैक्टिशनर्स हैं जो फील्ड में काम कर रहे हैं, प्राइवेट प्रैक्टिशनर्स, दे आर वेरी मच इंटरेस्टेड टू ज्वाइन सच टाइप ऑफ द प्रोग्राम्स। तो एक प्रोग्राम हम ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे जिसमें हम सामान्य लोगों को जोड़ेंगे जो कि फील्ड में काम कर रहे हैं और जिनके अंदर साइंटिफिक टेम्पर डेवलप करने के लिए, रिसर्च को वैलिडेट करने के लिए, ये सब काम करने के लिए हमारी उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार ने, आयुष मंत्रालय ने इस प्रकार का डायरेक्शन भी दिया हुआ है। डॉक्टर अवनीश पांडे हमारे साथ हैं कि हम डेटा को कलेक्ट करें, साइंटिफिकली वैलिडेट करने का प्रयास करें। तो हम चाहते हैं कि सारे मेडिकल अफसर्स को, सारे प्रैक्टिशनर्स को हम ग्रेजुअली अपने इस प्लेटफॉर्म से लोगों को एजुकेट करें। हम डॉक्टर सीमा द्विवेदी जी जो हमारी नेशनल कोऑर्डिनेटर हैं, ये आरोग्य भारती से भी हमारे साथ जुड़ी हुई हैं। साथ साथ में इन्हें निरंतर इनका प्रयास रहता है कि किस प्रकार से हम पीड़ित मानवता की सेवा में नए नए आयाम स्थापित कर सकें। मैं इनको बहुत साधुवाद देता हूं कि इस कार्यक्रम में लगातार इनका मार्गदर्शन भी चल रहा है, उन्हें लगातार प्रयास भी चल रहा है जिससे कार्यक्रम हमारा सफल बने। हमारे साथ को ऑर्गेनाइजिंग सेक्रेटरी हमारे अमित जी, जो कि लगातार इस कार्यक्रम की सफलता के लिए निरंतर कार्यरत है, मैं उनको भी धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं। अवनीश पांडे जो कि एक इंस्ट्रूमेंटल है, जिस व्यक्ति ने कोविड कालखंड में संपूर्ण विश्व में आयुर्वेद की चर्चाओं को एक मूर्त रूप दिया, मैं उनको बहुत साधुवाद देना चाहता हूं, आशीर्वाद देना चाहता हूं कि इसी प्रकार से आप इस कार्यक्रम में जुड़े रहें और जन सामान्य को लाभान्वित करने का प्रयास करेंगे। अभी आपको आगे का कार्यक्रम बढ़ेगा। साथ साथ में हमारी बहुत अच्छी फैकल्टी को जोड़ा हुआ है। सुजाता जी ने हमारी शालिनी राय, डॉक्टर शालिनी राय, डॉक्टर शिवानी गिल्डियाल और एक प्रमोद यादव जी, ये तीनों ही अच्छे फैकल्टीज हैं हमारी ऑल इंडिया इंस्टीट्यूट के। इस कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाएंगे और अच्छा कार्यक्रम आगे चलेगा। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं प्रोफेसर RS सिंह, लेट प्रोफेसर RS सिंह मेमोरियल जो ग्रांट है हमारी, उसके बारे में डिटेल डायरेक्शन जो है हमारे अमित तिवारी जी बाद में आपको उपलब्ध कराएंगे, जिससे सारे रिसर्चर्स को हम लाभान्वित कर सकें। ये शुभम जी ने जो स्कीम इसके बारे में जो डेवलप किया है, इसके लिए मैं इनको बहुत बहुत साधुवाद देता हूँ और बधाई देता हूँ कि इस प्रकार की स्कीम के माध्यम से हम लोगों के, उन लोगों को, दे आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस फ्रॉम एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, और जिनका ओरिजिनल रिसर्च पेपर एक्सेप्टेड है। और ये सारी हमारी जूरी है, उस जूरी में भी हम लोगों ने जो रखा है प्रोफेसर पूजा भारद्वाज, फॉर्मर DG आयुष, तनुजा श्री जी, हमारे ये अनूप ठाकर जी, RN आचार्य जी और संजीव शर्मा जी, इन सब लोगों को हमने जूरी में रखा हुआ है। ये 7 लोगों की जूरी डिसाइड करेगी, तब हम इसको आगे बढ़ाएंगे। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं पुनः कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए अमित जी को धन्यवाद देता हूँ। कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाएं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग द इन्फॉर्मेशन। जैसा कि सर ने कहा कि लेट प्रोफेसर आर.एस. सिंह रिसर्च ट्रेवल ग्रांट, जिसकी जानकारी अतिशीघ्र आपको वेबसाइट्स के माध्यम से, हमारे सोशल हैंडल्स के माध्यम से, और जो भी व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप हैं आप जिसमें अभी जुड़े हुए हैं, इसमें आपको कंप्लीट डिटेल सेंड की जाएगी ताकि आप उस रिसर्च ट्रेवल ग्रांट का लाभ उठा सकें। आपको जानकारी टाइम टू टाइम शेयर की जाएगी, आप उस ग्रुप में जुड़े रहें। So to express our gratitude again, I would like to invite the organizing secretary of this program and assistant professor, Dravya Guna Department from the Government Ayurvedic College and Hospital, Handia Prayagraj, Dr. Amish Pandey sir, to deliver the vote of thanks, who continuously spreading the information of this program to all participants, practitioners, to register for the program from the Institute of Applied Statistics and from the all organizing team. We are thankful, sir, and I invite you to please deliver the vote of thanks and conclude this program, sir. Please, sir, welcome, sir.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मिस्टर अमित जी। मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
जी सर, जी सर।
ठीक। सबसे पहले तो इनॉग्रल सेरेमनी, जो कि 1 मंथ के लिए हम लोग सर्टिफिकेट प्रोग्राम आज शुरू कर रहे हैं, गुड क्लिनिकल प्रैक्टिस फॉर आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिन, जो कि जॉइंटली ऑर्गेनाइज हो रहा है और इंडिया इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ आयुर्वेदा, इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ अप्लाइड स्टैटिस्टिक्स और कोलैबोरेशन CCRAS न्यू दिल्ली का है, और अंडर महर्षि चरक आयुर्वेदा रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट स्कीम, इसके अंतर्गत हम लोग इस कार्यक्रम को ऑर्गेनाइज करने जा रहे हैं। इस कार्यक्रम में जुड़े हुए सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स को मैं सबसे पहले बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं और अपेक्षा करता हूं कि आप जिस उद्देश्य से इस कार्यक्रम में जुड़ रहे हैं, आपका वह उद्देश्य निश्चित ही सफल हो। और मैं इस कार्यक्रम में हमारे आज के मुख्य अतिथि परम श्रद्धेय पद्मश्री वैद्य राजेश कोटेचा सर ने अपना आशीर्वाद हम सभी को दिया, जो कि सेक्रेटरी हैं मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ आयुष, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया। बहुत ही अमूल्य समय सर आपने निकाला, और जो भी आपने रिसर्च संबंधित जो बातें हम लोगों को बताई, निश्चित ही हम लोग के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण रही, और आपका मार्गदर्शन हम सभी को ऐसे ही मिलता रहे। आपका बहुत बहुत आभार। प्रोफेसर R.N. आचार्य सर, डायरेक्टर जनरल CCRAS, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ आयुष, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, सर आपने भी अपना महत्वपूर्ण उद्बोधन हम सभी को दिया, आपका भी हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। प्रोफेसर तनुजा नेसरी मैम, डायरेक्टर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टीचिंग एंड रिसर्च इन आयुर्वेदा, इटरा जामनगर, आपका भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मैम। प्रोफेसर सुजाता कदम मैम, डायरेक्टर इंचार्ज ऑल इंडिया इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ आयुर्वेदा न्यू दिल्ली, मैम आपका भी बहुत बहुत मैं धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करता हूँ। साथ ही प्रोफेसर GS तोमर सर, जो कि चेयरपर्सन है महर्षि चरक रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट स्कीम के, और आप आरोग्य भारती से भी सर जुड़े हुए हैं। आप आरोग्य भारती में राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणी के सदस्य हैं, और साथ ही साथ विश्व आयुर्वेद मिशन के आप राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष भी हैं। आपका मैं बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूं सर, और आपके ही मार्गदर्शन में यह कार्यक्रम आयोजित हो रहा है, आपका बहुत बहुत आभार। इसके साथ ही साथ मैं डॉक्टर सीमा द्विवेदी मैम, आपका भी मैं बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। डॉक्टर शुभम पांडे जी, जो कि एक बहुत ही प्रतिभा के धनी है, और आप मॉडर्न के साथ साथ आयुर्वेदिक रिसर्च को भी बढ़ा रहे हैं, आपका भी मैं हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। आप प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर हैं महर्षि चरक आयुर्वेदिक रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट स्कीम के। साथ ही साथ डॉक्टर शालिनी राय, डॉक्टर शिवानी गिल्डियाल मैम, डॉक्टर प्रमोद यादव सर, डॉक्टर ऐसे कई लोग हमारे इस कार्यक्रम में जुड़े हुए हैं, और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण जो है हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं, डिस्टिंग्विश्ड फैकल्टी मेंबर्स हैं ऑल ओवर इंडिया। अभी हमारे साथ प्रोफेसर ब्रिजेश मिश्रा सर नागपुर से जुड़े, सर आपका भी बहुत बहुत आभार। जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स जुड़े हुए हैं, रिसर्च स्कॉलर्स जुड़े हुए हैं, आप सभी का इस कार्यक्रम में जुड़ने के लिए मैं आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। जिनका नाम छूट गया है, आप सभी से मैं क्षमा मांगते हुए पुनः आप सभी का कोटशः आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। हमारे आज के गेस्ट प्रोफेसर संजीव शर्मा सर अभी जुड़ नहीं पाए हैं, सर आपका भी मैं बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर हैं आप NIA डीम्ड टू बी यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर के, सर आपका भी मैं बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। पुनः आप सभी को धन्यवाद देते हुए मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम देता हूं। नमस्कार, धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And again, I would like to include that our governing committee members are also joined. Dr. Rajesh sir is there, Dr. Professor Brijesh Mishra sir joined, and Dr. Tuhin Kanti Viswas sir from Kolkata presented in overall the meeting. Thank you, sir, for gracing us with your presence. And I would again like to express deepest gratitude to all guests. So the little one announcement is there that the first online session will commence tomorrow as scheduled time, starting at 6 p.m. onwards on the topic Introduction to Good Clinical Practice under the expert guidance of Dr. Ramesh Kumar KL sir, Associate Professor, Department of Transnational Research, India Institute of Ayurveda, New Delhi. In this session, we will explore an overview of GCP, definition, history, and significance, the importance of GCP in clinical research, and an introduction to Ayurveda and its integration with the modern clinical practice. So please make sure join on time. We will look forward to seeing all the participants tomorrow at 6 p.m. So thank you again, everyone, for your presence. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद इस कार्यक्रम में जुड़ने के लिए और हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स को बहुत बहुत एडवांस में बधाई। निश्चित रूप से आप बहुत कुछ प्राप्त करेंगे इस कार्यक्रम के माध्यम से। ठीक है, थैंक यू वंस अगेन।
प्रणाम सर, आपके सहयोग और रमेश पांडे सर के सहयोग के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। प्रणाम सर।
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
अच्छा सीमा जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, sir, for your blessings and guidance always. Thank you, sir.
सभी को प्रणाम, नमस्कार, नमस्ते।
So this is the end of this. So thank you all again, everyone. And this is the end of this program. We again meet 6 p.m. tomorrow with the first session of this program. This is the end of this program. Thank you all.